is incumbent upon me.
And I'm very
But
proud
I
of
remember the feeling that it left.
We had an iMacG3, and it was a very thick Macintosh with like a plastic back, sort of triangular shaped, the various colors, and we kept it in our family room, and we all shared time on it. But I would go down there, it was in the basement, and I would use it when I had my time, because again, we had to share it, so I had my allotted time. And I would go down there to practice typing or to write stories. When I got a little bit older, I was going on the internet and going to game sites. I would look for the websites on the back of cereal boxes, and a lot of them had their own websites that I could play games on. So I'd go to those websites and play like Captain Crunch games or like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The computer for me it started out as a recreational thing, and as I got older, it expanded into a social thing. So I would get on AOL Instant Messenger in my early teen years and talk to my friends. This was before cell phones were common, so maybe some of my friends had them, but most of us didn't. And we would communicate either by landline or AOL Instant Messenger, called AIM for short. And we'd get on there and send messages, and we knew who was online and who was offline. It was a way to sort of continue socializing after school. So it was all fun. We didn't actually use the computer for homework, schoolwork, any kind of work until I was much older.